Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be breaking my acrylic brush. I got this brush in my last haul, and if you've not watched that video, please check my previous video to watch my last video. Thank you so much. So I am just removing the, I don't know if it's called it's just something they use in holding the hairs together so that it doesn't spoil on the way, like you know how your bristles look like when they are not together anymore, so that it doesn't happen. So I'm just removing those things. I don't know if you can see the white stuff on my hands. Yeah, I don't know if you can see them. Those are the things that are coming out from the brush. Like, you just have to remove them. That's like breaking the brush. Yeah, I know the brush looks a mess now, but yeah, it's going to come back together. As you can see, I'm not trying to spoil them. Don't think I'm trying to spoil them. I'm not trying to spoil them. I'm trying to make them workable. So yeah, this is basically how to break your acrylic brush. I know some people use warm water. I also know that some people will actually pinch the iron there that is holding the bristles. They get a plier and just pinch it together. If that's what you want to do, that is fine. So I just get a monomer, dip it in the monomer, like saturate the brush in the monomer, and just like clean it a little bit more to get all those things out. I just clean and clean basically, because I don't want to be the reason why my brush doesn't work. Yeah, so make sure you clean your brushes very well so you're not the reason your brush doesn't work. I'm super excited that I got this brush. I've been meaning to try acrylic nails because I do my nails myself, but I've not been able to do acrylic nails. I really don't know I don't know how it's going to turn out, but hopefully it turns out very well. Now I have a brush and I have what to use for my acrylics. So fingers crossed. I hope I do a good job. I'm just scared. What if I'm not able to remove it after making the mistake? Well, we're just gonna see, and I'll be posting the video, good or not. If I get it correctly, perfect. If I don't, I'll still be posting it because it's my first time and I'm trying to. I really want to learn. So if there's any other way that you break your brush, please, I would love to know in the comment section down below. I am open to trying new things and also learning your own methods. And you can just tell me. I'm still going to get more brushes because I feel like this one is a little bit smaller. I don't know, for some reason it looks small in my eyes. So I'll be getting maybe a bigger one. And if there's any way you break your brush, please let me know in the comment section down below. So thank you for watching the video. Thank you for staying up to this extent. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I would love you to like my videos, comment, and also share my videos. Until my next video, thank you for always clicking on my videos. I really do appreciate. Thank you for being part of my growth. Have a nice time. God bless you.